At Bridgestone, our mission is to provide a safe environment for all our children and the children of future generations. That's why we believe in doing everything we can to minimise our impact on the environment. Bridgestone Ecopia is the result of global research and development of low rolling resistance technology. Rolling resistance is the force required to roll a tyre. Lower resistance means less fuel is required to power the vehicle, resulting in fewer CO2 emissions being released into the environment. The new Ecopia Compound helps to reduce rolling resistance. In a conventional tyre's polymer, carbon molecules inside the tyre clump together, causing friction and generating heat. This affects rolling resistance and leads to energy loss. Ecopia's polymer technology keeps the carbon molecules dispersed, minimising energy loss and friction and rolling resistance. The benefits of Ecopia are significant. Not only does Ecopia reduce fuel consumption by up to 5.7% when compared with conventional tyres, but more importantly, it also reduces the amount of carbon dioxide being emitted into the atmosphere by the same amount. So by using Ecopia, the average motorist could reduce their car's CO2 emissions by 400 kilograms over the life of their tyres. That's roughly the equivalent to the weight of 150 bricks. Imagine if we all did that. Where you see this symbol on a tyre, that tyre contains Ecopia Compound.